Okay, so this problem asks us to solve the equation of 2/3 times the absolute value of 3x minus 4 is equal to 4 times the quantity of x minus 2. And to start, we want to get the absolute value portion of the equation on the left side by itself, and we'll do that by multiplying each side of the equation by the reciprocal of 2/3, which is 3/2. And 3/2 times 2/3 is just 1, so this will cancel out, and on the left side we'll have the absolute value of 3x minus 6. And on the right side, we can simplify these terms by multiplying 4 times 3/2, which is 12/2, which is the same as just 6. So then we end up with the equation of the absolute value of 3x minus 6 is equal to 6 times the quantity of x minus 2. And now that we have the absolute value portion on the left side by itself, we need to account for the fact that it can be both positive and negative inside this absolute value.